Good day to one and all. Today we can discuss chapter GST, exercise 1A, question number 11 onwards. Question number 11. For the following, find the amount of bill data. Box is given there in your question. Rate per piece, number of pieces, discount percentage, GST also in percentage. Okay. Rate per piece is rupees 80. Number of pieces is 360. So for one piece, cost of one piece is what? 18 rupees. So we bought 360 pieces. So what will be the total amount? So next step, what we want to write? Total MRP. So how can we find the total MRP? Total MRP. Next column we can write total MRP. Total MRP is 360 pieces are the, for per piece, which one? 18 rupees. So how can we write 360 into 18? Okay. What about 360 into 18? 6480. Next step. 12 rupees per piece, 480 rupees. So 480 into 12. 5760. Per piece 12 rupees. We want 120. Number of pieces is 120. So 120 into 12. So 120 into 12 is what? 440. Then next step, 150 into 28. So it is 4200. Okay. So 360 into 18, 6480. 480 into 12, 5760. Then 120 into 12, 1440. Then 150 into 28, 4200. So that is the total MRP. They are giving us a discount of 10%. So how can we find the discounted price? Discounted price will be, they are giving us a 10% discount, means 90% we have to pay. So 6480 is the total MRP. MRP is 6480. We have to pay 90% of that MRP. So how can we write? Discounted price or the selling price, no? Or otherwise we can say it as selling price will be what? 10% discount they are giving. So we have to pay 90% of which amount? 6480. That is 90 by 100 into 6480. 90 by 100 into 6480. Do the calculations in the working column. Then you will get the answer as 5832. 0, 0 we can cancel. Here 0, 0 also we can cancel. Do that all calculations in the working column. Okay. Then next column. 20% discount they are giving. 20% discount means what will be? What percentage we have to give? 80%. So 80% of which one? 5760. This 80 by 100 into 5760. 0, 0 here also we can cancel. So 8 into 576 is equal to what? 4608. 4608. Similarly, 5% discount. So it will be 95% of total MRP 1440. So that is 95 by 100 into 1440. Here answer is 1368. 1368. Do all the calculations in the working column. Then discount percentage is what? 20%. So how can we write? 80% of 4200. So 80 by 100 into 4200. So 80 by 100 into 4200 is 3360. 3360. So discounted price we got. Next column what will be? What is our question? For the following transaction, find the amount on the bill for the following. GST is given as 12%, 18%, 12% and 28%. So percentage form is what? 12%, 18%, 12% and 28%. Amount we have 5832, 4608, 1368, 3360. So we want to find the GST in rupees. How much amount we have to pay? So that we want to find out. So for 5832, we have to pay 12% GST. So how can we calculate the GST in rupees? So next column will be GST in rupees. So how can we find GST in rupees? 12% GST for which one? 5832. So 12% of what? 5832. Here 18%. So how can we write? 18% of the discounted price, that is selling price, 4608. Here 12% of 1368. Here 28% of 3360. So 12% of 5832 means 12 by 100 into 5832. 12 by 100 into 5832, you will get it as 699.84. Next, 18% of 4608, that is 18 by 100 into 4608, you will get it as 829.44. Next, 12% of 1368, that is 12 by 100 into 1368. So it is 164.16. Next is 28% of 3360. It is 28 by 100 into 3360. It is 940.8. 940.8. So we got GST in rupees. So what is our question? We have to find the amount on the bill. For that, we have the discounted price. So total discounted price we want to find out. Then we have the GST also. Total GST we have to find out. So after that only we can find which one? Amount on the bill. Amount on bill is what? Total discounted price plus the total GST. Okay. So discounted price we have. So total discounted price will be what? Total discounted price will be, we have to add these four values. So we will get it as 15168. Next we want to find the total GST. Is GST we have these four values. We have to add that four values. You will get it as 2634.24. Total GST we got and total discounted price we got. Next we want to find the total amount on the bill. So how can we find the total amount on the bill? Total amount on the bill is equal to total discounted price plus the total GST, that is 15168 plus 2634.24. So 17802.24 is the total amount on the bill. So next step we want to write down total amount on the bill. So write down total amount of bill is equal to total discounted price plus total GST. Total discounted price we have 15168 plus total GST is 2634.24. So we will get the answer as 17802.24. Question number 12. The tax invoice of a telecom service in Meerut shows cost of service services provided by it as rupees 750. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of the bill. So tax invoice of a telecom service is what? Shows cost of services is how much? Rupees 750. Given GST is what? 18%. So here what will be the transaction? It will be an intrastate transaction. So given GST is 18%, so services are provided in within the same state. No. So transaction will be an intrastate transaction. So given GST is 18%, so in percentage form CGST and SGST we want to find out. So CGST and SGST both will be 9%. Now CGST will be 9% and SGST also will be 9%. So we have to find out the GST in rupees. GST in rupees means 9% GST we have to pay for how many? 750. So 9% of 750 will be CGST, and same way 9% of 750 will be SGST. Amount is rupees 750. Okay, so we can do that. Cost of services provided by telecom service is given as 750. GST is given as 18%. Since it is an intrastate transaction, GST will be 9% and SGST will be 9%. So GST we have to calculate in rupees. So that is CGST and SGST separate. CGST in rupees will be what? 9% of 750. 9% of this 750. So how can we write? 9 by 100 into 750. Cancellation possible. Better don't cancel this 10. First you multiply 9 and 75. So it will be 675 divided by 10. So remove one decimal place from here. So it will be 6710 means remove one decimal place. So 67.5 rupees. Same way SGST will be SGST in rupees will be what? That also 9% of 750. Answer is what? Same 67.5 rupees. Okay. Next, total amount of the bill we have to pay. 750 plus CGST plus SGST. That is the amount of bill. Okay. We can do that. Write down. So amount of bill is equal to 750 plus 67.5 plus 67.5. So answer is rupees 885. Thank you.